Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So recently I had to hire one guy to cut some pattern using a laser for one of my projects. And I did my project in PNG, but unfortunately laser machine needs a vector file. So for example, I have this one PNG file. Imagine that we want this pattern to be cutted from some plastic board. And in order to do that, we need to turn this PNG into SVG. Fortunately, that is very easy to do using Inkscape application. So let me show you how to do it. I'm going to run my Inkscape. And I'm going to import this PNG file. These settings are fine. And now I want to scale this image. Keep in mind that you want your entire image to be within this canvas. Now right click on it and go on Trace Bitmap. Now in here you can tweak some settings, but for my case this is just fine. And we can trace bitmap by multiple modes. The best one for me is edge detection. You can experiment with many others. And now I want to click on apply. When that is done, go on File, Export, and find where you want to export it. Name your file. So I'm going to use extension SVG and I'm going to name it 1 again. So save. Alright, now I'm going to check it and we have SVG file. I'm going to open it. And as you can see, I have my pattern ready to be used for laser. So that's all for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching and see you around.